him back. He's actually gonna hit him.
Officer, get down.
Oh shit!
Holy shit!
Oh my god.
He keeps hitting the car.
Bro, shit's over.
That nigga's going to jail. We ain't never seen that nigga again.
Bro. At least 2 years.
Not even. That was.
The numbers, they told part of the story. Over 3,500 passing yards, more than 40 touchdowns, a completion percentage of over 70. But the other part of the story was the moments. The situations where the games got really tight, but Mendoza, cool, calm, and collected. The Penn State game comes to mind.
Yeah, what a season it's been for Kirk Cignetti. Once again, he has the position to, this time, go to the Big Ten championship game. And one reason they're playing well is their quarterback, Fernando.
With the game slipping and the clock working against him, he took over.
So Indiana, no timeouts.
Why is this car going across? Oh my god. Is he drunk? Jesus Christ. He would just stop right. Why did he just sit there?